Islam is more than a religion, it's a way of life for over 2 billion people around the world. The word Islam means peace through submission, submission to the will of Allah, the one and only God. Muslims believe in the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as the final messenger, in a line that includes prophets like Moses, Jesus, and Abraham, peace be upon them all. The core of Islam is the 5 pillars. 1. Shahadah, the declaration of faith. 2. Salah, 5 daily prayers. 3. Zakat, giving to those in need. 4. Sawm, fasting in Ramadan. 5. Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca. But Islam is more than rituals. It teaches kindness, justice, honesty, and compassion. Whether you're a seeker or just curious, learning about Islam opens a window into a deep, spiritual, and peaceful tradition. This was Islam in a minute. Want to know more? Subscribe for more bite-sized knowledge.